This simple little black box is aptly named the Simple TV. It basically pulls down free over-the-air HD television and records it for you on a hard drive. Then you can stream it to any number of devices. It's a lot like the competing product, the TiVO, but there's some key differences you're going to want to know about. See the back of this thing? Simple, like I said. Over here is your power port, then there's an Ethernet jack. There's no Wi-Fi built into this thing. We'll talk about that some more later. Just one USB port, the TiVO happens to have two, and then your coax input for your antenna. Now there's no built-in storage, so you're going to want to pick up a hard drive. We grabbed a little 500 gigabyte hard drive. It's real compact, and that'll provide you about 224 hours of HD recording. Now since it doesn't have Wi-Fi, you've got to have it next to an Ethernet jack, and that might restrict where you put it. But once it's plugged into the network, you go to Simple TV's website, and it instantly finds the device and helps you set it up. It takes a few seconds, and you're ready to go. Once it formats your hard drive, it'll start scanning for channels, and then once it finds them, it'll tell you what it found and ask you whether you want to keep them or ditch them. With that done, it's going to let you start watching TV. And now that we're all set up, I can start watching TV. Now this is the PC interface. I've got three really simple tabs up at the top. Here it shows me what's playing right now. I can also go to traditional TV guide style interface. And I can also take a look at anything that I've recorded. I've only started recording one show. If we go back here, we can see I'm recording a show now, or I can pull up any other show. Now since this is a dual tuner system, I can watch one show while recording another, and it will actually stream up to 4 devices. And those devices don't have to be on the network. I can be across the country and stream live TV from anywhere I'm at. Here's the iOS version of the Simple TV app. It's a little bit easier to navigate on an iPad, but everything is very similar to the PC interface. We just see a bunch of icon-based listings for the shows. This is what's available to watch right now. Below Live TV is my recordings. I'll just click on that, and there's the show I've recorded. Give that a press, and it starts playing almost immediately. And this is over Wi-Fi. That's pretty impressive. You can also search for shows under different headings. For instance, there's kids and family, movies, news, popular. If I pop into kids and family here, I'll see a number of different shows that I can pop into and set up for recording. If I'm going to compare this to the TiVO TV, right now I'm leaning a little towards the TiVO. For one thing, the TiVO offers wireless connection to the internet, and that's a big deal. But also, I think it's odd that Simple TV doesn't create the same web user interface as they do for their iPhone or iPad. For instance, I can't go around looking for kids' television shows or movies that are on. Those filters don't appear to be available. With that said, the setup's easy, the operation is simple, and it works pretty well.